Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off today's tutorial with my current favorite foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. You guys already know I have been loving this and I have been using it constantly in my videos. So it's just such a great dupe to my other favorite foundation, which is the Armani Luminous Silk. But this one, of course, is much more affordable and you can get it at the drugstore. So this is nice. And for my eyes, I'm going in with the eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. This is the Rose Gold Remastered one. And I'm taking the color Maneater and I'm just working this into my crease, and I'm also working it towards the outer V of my eye, just creating kind of a cat eye shape but keeping it very simple. And I'm not going overboard with this, so I try to keep the color in my crease and not go too much towards the brow bone. And yeah, I'm using a blending brush from Zoeva. Zoeva has the most amazing eyeshadow brushes and face brushes. I just love everything about them. They pick up the product so nicely. And I'm working with a smaller blending brush. This one is by MAC actually, also a great brush. And I'm just intensifying the colors. So I tried to keep all the clips in so you can see how long it takes for me to blend out eyeshadow nicely. And yeah, I just like to take my time with it until I get the result that I like. So you see me here just intensifying the colors, and I'm not taking too much new product. I'm working with what I got and I just blend it out nicely. So I'm going in with the color Coco, which is a dark sienna brown. Such a nice color. And I'm just taking a pencil brush, also by Zoeva, and I will intensify the color towards my lash line. I'm doing this because I want it to be a little bit more intense, but I still want it to be soft and sultry, so which is why I like to use a blending brush and going in with my other blending brushes again to just melt everything together and create no harsh lines. For my lid, I'm using the color Pink Diamond, and I actually like to pick up shimmery shades with my fingertips because I feel like you can get more of the pigment. I'm using the lashes from Lillylashes, great lashes, and for my concealer, I'm going in with Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. This is in the color number 16. It has a yellowish neutral undertone and it just works great with my complexion. Just putting it a little bit under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose, and I'm trying to cut a sharp edge to the eyeshadow with my concealer. And yeah, I'm just blending everything out. I waited for 2 minutes. This is something that I always do when I blend out concealer. Wait a little bit so you get more of the pigment. For my setting powder, I'm going in with the KKW baking powder, and I'm bronzing everything up with my favorite bronzer, which is the Laura Mercier baked bronze in 01. And I saw this trick with Nikki tutorials where she just put bronzer on her whole nose, and then she baked the sides of her nose and the bridge of her nose with her face powder and a dry beauty sponge, which is what I'm doing here. I'm using mineralized skin finish from MAC in the color medium. Great powder, just makes everything look so airbrushed. I just love it. So you can see this is the way that I reverse contoured kind of my nose, and I'm just taking the same eyeshadows and work it on the bottom lash line, and then I wipe away the setting powder that I applied, and it looks so airbrushed, so great. I just love it. So for my blush, I'm using Adults Only from Nabla Cosmetics. I think this is a reddish highlighter, blush topper, and I just love it. For my lips, as always, I'm going in with NYX Natural, and for my lip color, I'm going in with the Diamond Balm by Huda Beauty in the color Femme Fatale. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!